this video we are trying to explain how to place walls inside Revit 2024. So as you can see, we can go to the architecture tab, and in the build panel we have wall icon, which creates a non-structural wall in the building model, and the shortcut for it's WA. Okay, and you can see there's an arrow here. Just click down below and it's opening a drop down menu and shows the wall architecture, which is this one, and we have wall structure. It creates a load bearing or shear wall in the building model, or wall by face. This is created by the mass. Okay, you'll create a generic mass and you'll create wall by face. And we have wall by sweep. This is just elements. This is not a wall, just creates a sweep in the wall. And we have wall reveal, which is subtracting from the wall. But this is not our topic of today. We want to go with the wall of architecture. Okay, you can just click on this, or you can alternatively try to use the shortcut WA. So as you can see, it says in the down below, click to enter wall start point. Sorry. And it actually leaves the architecture tab and it goes directly to the modify place wall. Okay, we have a draw tools here which are used for drawing, and here we have modify place wall. That is the characteristics that we have for our wall before placing it. So it says, is it height or depth? If it's height, it goes from below to the up. If it's depth, it goes from up to below, or from this level to the below. Okay, so it's better to keep it with the height. And this is the constraint, which says, do you want to your level to your wall go to until which level? Actually, we have level 1 and level 2 and unconnected. The unconnected is that it's by default it's 8 meters, okay, or 8,000 millimeters. Okay, so when you change the units, this will change to 8 meters. Okay, and we have the location line, and we have chain and offset and radius and joint status allow. We will explain these, but I want to grab your attention to this properties panel, which when this is activated, this wall becomes a basic wall. Okay, you can click on it and you can select from it, but I'm not going to select it. I will explain this in the later videos. We can edit type and we can see the name of our generic 200 millimeters, which means 20 centimeters. So this is the location line, which is here again, wall center line. So this is a quick access, like a bar that's coming down below. Okay, and we have the base constraint, which is in the level 1. You can change the level. Actually, because we are in the level 1 and we activated the command, this will be the level 1 base constraint. Okay, and the top constraint is here, unconnected, and the unconnected we can change it here again. Okay, or here or from here. Unconnected height, you can check it with this one. Okay, I'm going with the level 2, up to level 2, so this will change. I will try to zoom in and I'm trying to create my wall. Just click and you can see your dimension. Okay, this is 6,000 millimeters. I'm going to escape from this by double clicking on escape on your keyboard. Escape. Okay, or you can go to the modify from here. Just click MD or come to here. It will escape from the command. I want to have change my units, UN for changing the units. So go to here and change the length to the meters. Yep, and make OK. So now I'm going to activate my wall, or by WA. Okay, so I want to place my wall here. just click start a point, and it shows that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14 meters, 16 meters, you see. So you can just write a number, or you can drag it, okay, like this. For example, I say I want to have 8.5 meters first time. I'll click on it and I'll come back, and you see this is connected, okay. It didn't go out from the command. Do you know why? Because the chain activated. If I didn't have this, this will not be connected and will escape from the command, and you should start a new command. So for example, this one I want to have a 5 meters. Just press 5 and enter. It will create the wall. I want to have here is 9 meter and enter. Or I can do it manually by hand. You can see when you go out from your command, or I mean go out from the view or zoom out, you can see this is going with 1 meter increments. You see 15, 14, 13, like this. If you come to zoom in, you can see this it's changing by 0.1, okay. See, it's changing like this. So for example, I will say let's make it 9.7, click on it, and I want to escape. How can I escape? I showed you, you will double escape it. You'll just say escape and again escape, okay. So, or you can go to the modify, it will escape entirely. You don't need to escape it twice. Just click on this and it will go out from the command, and we should again go to the wall. But I'm not going to the wall, I'm going to change this. For example, if I click on this, if I'm not happy with this, I am going to click on it. Like I want to have this wall as, let's say, 5 meters, okay, and enter, it will change. And if I want to change this distance, we should click on this and it's selected, isn't it? So come to here, I want this one to be 2 meters, okay, and enter, okay. This is a temporary dimension that's created like this. So this is how we created a wall, okay. So I'm going to the wall command again, and I'm going to deactivate this chain, okay. I'll deactivate this chain and come to here. So I'm placing my wall, okay. As you can see, I will go out so I can have more increments. So let's say I want a 9 meters like this, and as you can see, it didn't go out from the command, but it is not connecting. That's what chain means, it's connecting each other. So I have to come to here and create something like this, let's say, and click, and it goes out from the command, and click if I connect, and it goes out from the command. But meanwhile, if you activate the chain and just click and click, it's connecting without going out from this connection. If I escape, it goes out from the connection but not from the command, okay. I can do again this, escape, it will go out from the connection, okay. Click something like this and connect them, and I want to have something like this, click on it, and I want to escape it, escape from the command and escape it, and the command is no more activated. I will go to the wall, I will see, if I click here, you can see this is there's a dashed line here, it appears here. If I go like this, you can see an increment of 15 degrees, 20 degrees, like this, one by one. If I go more detailed, you can see that it's still in increments. Let me go zoom in. It goes by increments, okay. So there is no change in this, but in the future lectures I will tell you how to change this. Or like this is changing, you see, this is changing by 5, 5, 5, 5. You see, when you come to 90 degrees, it again snaps. When you come to 0, it snaps. When you come to 180, it snaps. When you come to 90 degree, from negative 90 degree, it snaps. You see, there's a dashed line. Okay, so as you can see, if I move, you can see it snaps to the center of this wall, because the Revit thinks that, am I going to connect to it? Maybe. If not, I'll just uh, click on here, and if I want to connect, you see it's making a connection, a guideline to connect to this. Okay, so let's have a degree of, let's say I want to have a 20 degrees, and click on this and go out from modify, and it's going to escape from the command. And wall again, I'll come to here and I'll make it 30 this time, and I'll say make it 9 meters. Just on your keyboard and enter, and you can make this one like this, and something like this will, you can see the degrees again. Let's make this one 120. I mean, uh, let me escape from here, and I want to make a connection. I want to have 150, isn't it? So I will make it 5. Okay, and enter. Something like this will be created. See, by degrees. So this is was for today's lecture, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.